In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your YouTube videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. After that, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account, and then tap right here at Library. After that, tap at Your Videos. It will show you all your videos on your YouTube channel, including videos, shorts, and lives. We can easily filter our content by tapping at that buttons. And from here we can also delete any of our videos. To delete a video, tap right here at these three dots next to video title, and then tap at delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this video? To continue, tap at delete. That's how you can easily remove YouTube videos.